What I wish I knew at the start of this year instead of just last week. Overseas Pakistanis can now buy property in Pakistan without the tax headaches. Here's what's changed. If you're an overseas Pakistani looking to invest back home, listen up. The Federal Board of Revenue just granted filer status to non-resident Pakistanis, even if you haven't filed taxes in Pakistan. What does that mean? Now you can buy property in Pakistan, pay lower taxes, and skip the usual paperwork nightmare. No more stress about being labeled a non-filer and slapped with extra charges. This move aims to make it smoother and more attractive for overseas Pakistanis to invest in real estate. Good for you, good for the property market. But act fast. Rules like these can change, and opportunities don't last forever. So if you've been waiting for the right time to invest, this is your sign. Stay tuned, hit subscribe for more updates, and don't let this window pass you by.